Malwarebytes Browser Guard provides a safer and faster web browsing experience by blocking ads, third-party trackers, and websites suspected of compromising your online safety. Here is how to install Browser Guard on Safari. Open the Apple App Store. Search for Malwarebytes Browser Guard. Click Get. Then click Install. Enter your Apple ID credentials to log in. Once the download completes, click Open. In the app screen that displays, click Preferences. From the left panel, select the Malwarebytes Browser Guard checkbox. Under Web Page Contents and Browsing History, choose a setting. We recommend Always Allow on every website. From the left panel, select All items for full protection. Each checkbox gives Malwarebytes Browser Guard access to block different types of malicious activities you may encounter while using Safari. The Malwarebytes Browser Guard logo appears to the left of your Safari browser search bar. Browser Guard immediately begins to provide added security while you browse online.